Registering multiple films may seem like a challenge, but there are a few tricks to get the job done. Before you start using your films, do a film check. Layer the films together and check for any mistakes or inconsistencies. Bad films can cost a lot of time if you don't catch them early. Look for any printer errors and check to make sure the films are blocking out light. If you can see through the image, it will cause problems with the exposure. If all of your films are burned in the same spot on each of the frames, registration on press will be less stressful. That's where this registration template can come in handy. This template has strong lines that indicate the size of screen used, and dotted lines that show where the platen will line up to the screen as the screen is in the clamp of the printhead. This line down the center indicates the middle line, and the registration marks and dotted lines indicate other placement options. A registration template is helpful when registering many films of the same design. It includes parameters for multiple screen sizes, so printers only have to line up screens and start registering. For center prints, line up the film and the screen with the center line on the platen. Simply follow the registration marks. Match the ends of the screen to the end line. Place tape on the film with the sticky side facing up. Use light pressure to stick the film to the screen. Repeat this step with the rest of your films. When registering left chest prints, the design should be about 3 to 4 inches from the center of the screen. This line indicates where the center of the left chest print should land. Adding multiple films to one screen is pretty easy, especially with the registration template. Simply line up the films with one of the lines on the registration template. Make sure to keep at least 1 to 2 inches of space between the designs. It's important not to register screens with the exposure unit on. Because those lights are UV LED and meant for exposing, you can expose your screen before the film is even lined up. Some units have light-safe bulbs in them for an easy backlight, like the base layer V series. For printers not using a template, this process can still be simple. Check out the video and the blog in the lesson description to learn how to do it. Now the films are lined up, it's time to expose the screens. Thanks for watching, screen printers. If you found this video helpful, you won't want to miss our comprehensive online course, How to Screen Print with a Kit 250 edition, available exclusively on screenprinting.com. Watch today for free and take your skills to the next level.